Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will explore two important concepts, nation and nationality. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings in political science. Let's understand them in detail. The word nation comes from the Latin word natio, which means race or birth. Traditionally, a nation was understood as a group of people sharing the same bloodline or ancestry. However, in modern terms, a nation is defined by common history, culture, and a sense of unity among its people. A nation is formed when people share a common past, language, and traditions. It is not just about living in the same territory, it is about having a strong sense of unity and identity. Various factors contribute to the making of a nation, such as common cultural practices, history, and shared emotions. A nation is not always defined by borders. Sometimes people belonging to the same nation may be spread across different states. For example, the Jewish people shared a common identity long before the formation of Israel. A nation exists because of the emotional and cultural connection among its people. Nationality is the status of belonging to a nation. It gives individuals a sense of identity and legal recognition within a state. In many countries, minorities living in a country are called nationalities as they have their own distinct culture and identity while being part of a large state. Nationality is more than just a legal status, it is an emotional and psychological feeling of unity. It connects people through shared culture, history, and traditions. Nationality is what makes people feel a deep sense of belonging to their homeland. There are several key factors that contribute to nationality. These include racial unity, a shared history, cultural traditions, a common language, and mutual interests. Let's look at each of these factors in detail. Racial unity plays a crucial role in forming a strong national identity. People who share a common ancestry often feel a stronger bond with each other. However, modern nations are diverse, and racial unity alone does not define nationality. History plays a major role in building a sense of nationality. When people share common struggles, victories, and hardships, they develop a strong emotional connection to their nation. For example, India's fight for independence created a powerful sense of national identity among its people. Culture includes traditions, customs, and shared beliefs. It shapes the way people interact with each other and their environment. A common culture strengthens national unity by creating a sense of familiarity and togetherness. A common language makes communication easier and helps in building national unity. Language allows people to express their ideas and share their emotions, fostering a sense of togetherness. Economic and security interests also play a role in nationality. When people share similar financial goals and security concerns, they feel more united. Nation and nationality are closely related but not the same. A nation is a group of people with common cultural ties, while nationality is the sentiment that binds individuals to their nation. Nationality gives people a legal and emotional identity. Nations are built on common history, language, and cultural values, while nationality is the feeling of belonging to a nation. Both are essential in defining the identity of a people and maintaining social unity. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.